It's time to talk about Bitcoin. Just over 10 years ago, we have seen the birth of a brand new asset class, cryptocurrency. But what is Bitcoin and how does it work? And is this a huge investment opportunity or way too risky to touch? Welcome back, and a special warm welcome to all the new subscribers. Nathan here, and in this video I will be going through the past, the present and the future of Bitcoin. The past, you will find out who created Bitcoin and why it was created. The present, you will find out where Bitcoin is today, as what most people don't realize is that its initial purpose has changed. And the future. As this is a channel about investing, stick around to the end of the video as I will be sharing where I think the Bitcoin price will be going and why this might just be an investment of a lifetime. If you like this video, be sure to click that like button. It's just about there. That would be much appreciated. Okay, sit back, relax, and this is the past, the present, and the future of Bitcoin. The story begins in 2008 with a global financial crisis. Due to excessive risk-taking by banks, the stock market crashes over 50% and the world goes into a global recession. Then, an anonymous person under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto proposes a new monetary system, one that isn't controlled by a financial system, but decentralized. A white paper is released for Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This would allow the sending of online payments directly from person to person without having to go through a bank, and it would utilize cryptography and a new emerging technology called the blockchain. So what is Bitcoin? Well, it can be broken into two parts. It's decentralized and it uses the blockchain. So what is decentralized? Well, in today's world, money is created and controlled by the central banks. It's a centralized system, and there is a golden rule. He who controls the money makes the rules. So what is decentralized? Well, think of it like the internet. It's just a big computer network which no one person or entity owns. And what is the blockchain? Well, let's break it into two. The block and the chain. In its most simplest form, it's just an accounting system to account for all the transactions that are taking place. As all the transactions are happening, the Bitcoin miners from all around the world place these transactions into blocks, and then each of these blocks simply get linked into one big chain, and that is the blockchain. The benefits of the blockchain is that because there is no central system, it is ultra secure, it's ultra transparent, and it's also ultra fast. Now, when Satoshi Nakamoto first proposed Bitcoin, it was to be an electronic cash system. However, because of the limited supply, it's very volatile. Bitcoin rushed up to $20,000, only to crash back down to near $3,000. It then ran up again to nearly $15,000, and has come back down to today around $10,000. So it's far too volatile to be cash. So instead of digital cash, it's becoming digital gold. As the central banks are printing more and more money around the world, Bitcoin may become an important store of value. This chart is called the stock-to-flow model, and it measures the supply and demand of Bitcoin. You see, every 4 years, Bitcoin has a halving event. There was one in 2013, which then led up to setting all-time highs. Another halving event happened in 2017, and this led up to the huge run-up to nearly $20,000. Now the thing is, we've just had another halving event, and if history repeats, Bitcoin may be going to $100,000. So now you know what Bitcoin is, who created Bitcoin, and exactly how it works. So the final questions that I get quite a lot is, where do I think the price is going and how do I invest in Bitcoin? Well, as you saw, it could very well go to over $100,000 per Bitcoin in the next run, or it could be replaced by something that is just better. Ultimately, no one knows. It's a great speculation. And for that reason, I'd only recommend investing a small portion of your portfolio. I personally do love and have invested in Bitcoin. I will be doing a whole nother video on exactly how to invest in Bitcoin. However, if you want something today that's quick, that's easy, that I'm happy to recommend, well, the company that I would recommend is called Coinbase. It's one of the largest and safest exchanges in the world. It's based in America and it has over 35 million customers. I am affiliated with the company because it's a company that I know, like, and trust. I do have a link below this video in the description where if you sign up to Coinbase through that link, you will get $10 of free Bitcoin when you invest over $100. Okay, well, this is Crypto Week, so I do have some great videos coming out this week on Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, and also a video on cryptocurrency itself. Okay, so if you liked the video, be sure to click that like button. If you haven't already subscribe below, as you don't want to miss these videos coming up, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, cheers guys.